I never know if it's Ahrefs, Ahrefs, Ahrefs. All right, welcome on this video about Ahrefs and how to use Ahrefs for your competitive analysis. Full disclosure here, I love them. It's my go-to SEO tool that I'm using every single day. They did not pay me for this video at all. Just disclosing that it's my go-to SEO tool since I'm in digital marketing, actually. So I really love this company. But when it comes to competitive analysis, there are a few things you need to take into consideration, right? For me, it's the perfect software when it comes to SEO. If you want to track yourself, if you want to track which keyword you need to target in order to grow your presence online, specifically on Google. However, we sometimes tend to add our competitors on Ahrefs and think that the job's done, that we are tracking our competitors if we're doing this, while it's actually not really the case. There are a few specific things you need to do on Ahrefs if you really want to leverage all their competitive analysis feature. We're going to check that today with Erin. And at the same time, I also wanted to show you a bit about another platform that could be super helpful for you to track your competitors, called Panoramata. We're going to go on Ahrefs right away, just taking a second to show you and to speak about Panoramata and just to show you the screen and the platform itself, basically, so you can have it in mind when we're explaining how to use Ahrefs for competitive analysis. This platform, Panoramata, is here to really help you track what your competitors are doing in real time, what are they doing exactly, so you can get summaries, which kind of content they're putting out there, how many emails, how many ads, how many SMSs, which new product, landing pages, the exact emails that they're sending as well. And you can really see for each company, get access to all their marketing data to really understand one, what they're doing and track your competitors, but also get recommendations on what you should do to create better campaigns as well. Just wanted to show you this. Now let's go on Ahrefs with Erin and we're going to check how to use Ahrefs for competitive analysis right away.
Kick off your experience with Ahrefs. First of all, you will need to get a premium account with Ahrefs. Here you can see their pricing by choosing one of their pricing plans that matches your business requirements and business goals. You'll be able to proceed with your competitive analysis using Ahrefs tools. To begin with, we'll go to Site Explorer and paste your competitor domain URL. We'll go with the sports e-commerce business Gymshark. And once you're inside the analysis, here is the overview that you get with Ahrefs. Just like SEMrush or SimilarWeb, you're getting global information about the traffic, the keywords, the geographical distribution of the traffic, etc. So the first thing that you see with Ahrefs is the domain rating, the URL rating, the backlinks, reference domains, the keywords, traffic, etc. The thing is that Ahrefs is not a competitor tracker. This is a tool that most SEO experts and people who are trying to improve their SEO performances use to get more insights about the keywords that they can use to rank better on the SERPs on Google, and other type of analysis regarding the health of their website and the health of their links that they can improve. This is why these are the type of data that you get when you start using Ahrefs. The best way to do the competitor analysis is by starting with your keyword explorer. So let's say you are a sports e-commerce business and you want to rank higher than Gymshark. The first thing that you will do is you would go and type any random keyword. Let's say sport clothes. So the result that you get are the keyword difficulty of the exact keyword, the search volume, the traffic potential, global search volumes, and at the end of the page here, you see top results that the websites and the top results that rank the best on this exact keyword. So the first, the top result is Gymshark. Let's go back to the Site Explorer and put again their URL. This time, what you will do is you'll go to the organic search and to the top pages. Once you're in their top pages, you can see which pages they rank the most on and the top keywords that they target. This way, you can get an inspiration or some insights about what other keywords, potential keywords you can target, and you can try to create content on, or you can try to add those keywords to your website. And this is the most basic, but at the same time, the most insightful way to use Ahrefs to complete the competitive analysis for your website or for your business.
All right, great. So you've seen a bit of Ahrefs now and how to do your competitive analysis on Ahrefs. And at the end of the day, you can see that, as I was saying, I love them. It's my favorite SEO platform. The GOAT of SEO platform, I got to say, but you can get a sense of, for competitive analysis specifically, well, it's rather only checking SEO data, PPC data, and maybe a few backlink analysis and with which other website they're connected, but that's pretty much all. This is why I wanted to share with you today Panoramata as well, because I do feel when it comes to competitive analysis that this platform is really here to help you step up your marketing the game. Thanks to what your competitors are doing right now, the platform is easily going to save you hours checking what your competitors are doing, instead of having you to check for each competitor every week, every month, what they've been up to on emails, on ads, on their landing pages, on their SMS, etc. The platform is just doing the heavy lifting for you, gathering all the data for you automatically, so you don't have to think about this, and then organizing it for you in a way that actually makes it super easier for you to track what's happening, find the perfect inspiration for your next campaigns, and get the best recommendations for you in order to go beat your competitors. And that's the goal after all. So let's take a minute to review the platform. This is, as we've seen together, the dashboard. Here, in one click, you can get a sense of what's been happening lately. If you're specifically interested, for instance, in the emails, you just can click on the emails and you're going to get them all here. Good. It's also super easy on the platform to benchmark yourself and compare yourself against your competitors. If I'm taking here the jewelry benchmark, I can right away see who's sending the most emails, who's doing the most promotions, which emails are the most optimized, pretty much the same thing on the ads as well. Who's publishing the most ads lately, on which networks. Those are some of the networks that we're tracking right now. So we've seen the dashboard, we've seen the benchmarks. It's also a perfect way to find some inspiration as well. Let's continue on this example. I'm a jewelry company and I'm looking for email examples about gold. You just need to go here, type gold. You're going to get all the gold emails that we've received on the platform, and you can go one step further and say, okay, gold's good, but specifically in the jewelry industry, and specifically for Mother's Day, for instance, for an email that is a promotional emails with a few discounts in English, with whatever criteria you want to set up, you can actually filter the result to really find the best example each time. Click here. You're going to see the email as if you received it on Gmail as well. You can save them in one of your list. You can download it as well. And you can get data on every single one of your competitors. Here, for instance, Majuri, each tab on a company page is going to give you access to specific data, summary, of course, the most recent updates gathered, calendar, a calendar overview of all the recent insight that have marketing updates that have been gathered for the company. And here, for instance, I can type gold again, and I'm going to see which days they're speaking about gold and how much, and if there are emails or ads mentioning a specific keyword. I'm not going to take hours here, but all the emails they've been sending. You can click on an email and see how it looks like. All the ads as well. We also track the landing pages if you want to check the changes that they're making on their homepage and on the product pages over time as well, making this super easy. All the ads they're publishing, and cherry on the cake, you're also going to be able, as I was saying, to get recommendations on how you can do to actually beat your competitors. The platform is going to be able to tell you and to give you specific recommendations that are either technical or content recommendations as well. So for instance, you should improve your email size, you should send more newsletter, you should optimize them. And here's what your competitors have been up to recently, but you didn't speak about these topics. Here's what you should anticipate from your competitors as well, whether it's for advertising and or email marketing as well. So it's really a real marketing competitive analysis platform for competitive intelligence in order for you to save time tracking your competitors. So you don't have to think about it anymore, but you can get all the insights that you would get if you were actually doing it. It's just us doing it for you. All right. Speak soon. Send me an email, send me a text if you have a question about the platform. Speak soon. Bye-bye.